guys, you look really beautiful today. Sorry I wasn't filming, and sorry about my craft mat, but I made a head for a little pink 3D printed gummy bear. I'm Kason, and I've been using my Pika 3D Super. It's my 3D printer pen, and I will fill it in and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just got the head done. Now we're gonna do the ears. Okay, so you just do two little upside down U shapes basically on the side of the oval that you just made and filled in. Okay, so now it is time for the body. It's just gonna be just like we did on the mushroom. Just shorter. That sound good, everybody? Yeah. Sorry, I have a little audience over here. An audience of stuffies, which I love. I'll be right back. It's taking forever. Okay, now it's time to do the arms. It's just like two little lumps on the side of their body. Like that. I'll be right back and I'll do the next one off camera. Okay, I did the legs off camera, and then so I added the legs, and then I will be right back and I will add some accessories. Okay, so this is my little bear. She has necklaces on, and this is like a little marking because she jumped in paint and then she couldn't get the paint off. And then this is her natural markings, and those are her natural markings. This is her little necklace, and this is her little purse. I hope you guys had a fun time watching this. It's bright and sunny here. How about you? If yours isn't bright and sunny here, just add it in the comments and I'll reply if I see it. Thanks guys, have a good day, bye!